Welcome back to Design Talk. I'm Jamie.
And I'm Alex. Today, we're diving into the world of IKEA hacks.
Yes, who doesn't love a good flat pack furniture hack? It's like a DIY treasure hunt.
Absolutely. So, what's your favorite hack, Jamie?
I've been into transforming those simple Kaliaks shelves. You can add some cute fabric bins for storage or even paint them a fun color.
Oh, I love that. I once saw someone turn a Kallax into a bench by adding a cushion on top. It's functional and stylish.
Exactly, and it's so easy to customize. Speaking of customization, have you tried using peel and stick wallpaper on IKEA furniture?
Yes, it's a game changer. I used it on a Malm dresser and it completely transformed the look.
That sounds amazing. You can really give plain pieces a unique flair. What about hardware changes?
Oh, swapping out drawer pulls is a simple hack that makes a big difference.
Totally. I've seen some people use vintage knobs on modern pieces, and it creates such an eclectic vibe.
It does, and it's a great way to express your personal style. What's another tip you'd recommend?
I'd say don't be afraid to mix and match pieces, like combining a dining table with mismatched chairs.
That's a bold move. It adds character. Plus, you can often find great secondhand chairs to paint or reupholster.
Yes, and it's sustainable too. Reusing old furniture is a win-win.
Speaking of sustainability, have you ever used IKEA's leftover wood to create small projects?
I have. I made a few small shelves from leftover parts. It's a fun way to minimize waste.
So true, and it keeps your space looking unique. Any last hacks you want to share?
I'd suggest keeping an eye on their clearance section. You can find amazing deals and transform those pieces too.
Great tip. IKEA hacks are all about creativity and thinking outside the box.
Definitely. So get those tools ready and start hacking. Hi.
Thanks for tuning in to Design Talk. We hope you found some inspiration for your next IKEA project.
Happy hacking, everyone.